my name's Ilana Karp. I'm a chef at Plated, and today we're going to learn a healthy recipe for fish and chips. This is a healthy recipe for fish and chips. We're going to bake everything, but it's going to be so delicious you're not going to know it's not fried. We're going to start by cutting our potato into wedges. So I'm going to cut it in half lengthwise, and then into about 6 wedge slices. Now we're going to put them onto our pan, and we're going to drizzle it with oil and season it with some salt and pepper. And it's really important that the potatoes are cut all to be the same size. That way they'll cook evenly. If one piece is really big and one is really small, they're going to cook at different times. So finally, we're going to toss it together with our hands to make sure that every piece gets fully coated. And it's really important that they get spread out on the pan so that they cook and brown. If the pan is really crowded, they're not going to brown and get crispy like a fried potato would. And so it's better to use a few pans and spread them out than to crowd everything together. We're going to put it into the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. We're going to season our fish with some salt and pepper. And then we're going to dip it in the egg whites, and that's going to help the breadcrumbs stick to the outside. I really like to use panko in this case because it's really extra crunchy. And so in a recipe like this where we're baking instead of frying, the panko is going to give it that crunch that you want from fried food without the grease. So really make sure that the breadcrumbs are stuck on there. And then we're going to put it on a foil-lined baking sheet that's been sprayed with olive oil spray so it doesn't stick. And then we're going to spray the fish with some olive oil spray so that it doesn't burn. And now we're going to put it in the oven with the potatoes at 400 degrees. These are going to take about 15 minutes. You'll know it's done when the potatoes are crispy on the outside and the fish is tender to the touch. That was a recipe for healthy fish and chips. I'm Ilana from Plated. We hope you enjoyed.